Welcome back to Learn German, A1 edition. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Charlie. Episode 32. Let's go!
12 brand new A1 words today. People, light, dear, and more.
12 words. I'm ready.
Word 1.
Die Leute. Die Leute.
Is that people? I've seen dimension before. How are they different?
People. Die Leute, also Folk.
In der Disco sind viele Leute.
There are many people in the disco. Many people in disco.
Viele Leute lernen Deutsch.
Many people are learning German. Key distinction: die Leute, people, informal collective; Dimension, people, humans, more neutral, formal.
Die Leute. People. Different from dimension.
Die Leute, always plural, no singular. Word 2.
Das Licht. Das Licht.
Is that light? I've seen die Lampe before. How are they different?
Light. Das Licht, neuter, plural, Lichter.
Wo macht man hier das Licht an?
Where do you turn the light on here? How to turn on light here.
Mach bitte das Licht an.
Please turn on the light. Key distinction: das Licht equals light, source or phenomenon. Die Lampe equals lamp, the physical object.
Das Licht. Light. Plural. Lichter. Different from die Lampe.
Die Lampe, anmachen, to turn on. Ausmachen, to turn off. Hell, bright. Dunkel, dark. Word 3.
Lieb.
Dear or beloved?
Dear. Liebe Hutchplants.
Liebe Susanne, lieber Hans.
Dear Suzanne, dear Hans. Dear in letter.
Das ist sehr lieb von dir.
That is very kind of you.
Got it. Lieb, dear or beloved?
Lieber, meth. Word 4.
Lieben.
To love. Or also to be in love with?
To love. Lieben is a regular verb with no prefix that splits off.
Ich liebe dich.
I love you. I love you.
Sie liebt ihren Job.
She loves her job. Die Liebe, love. Verliebt sein, to be in love. Lieb, dear, kind. Mögen, to like.
Lieben. To love. Regular, not separable, haben. Also, to be in love with.
Die Liebe, love. Verliebt sein, to be in love. Lieb, dear, kind. Mögen, to like. Word 5.
Lieber.
Rather or prefer to?
Rather, lieber equals comparative of gern.
Sie fährt lieber mit der Bahn.
She prefers to travel by train. She prefers the train.
Ich trinke lieber Tee.
I prefer drinking tea.
Got it. Liebe, rather or prefer to.
Gern, I like doing. Word 6.
Lieblings.
Favorite? Close to best?
Favorite. Lieblings is a productive prefix added before nouns. Lieblingsfilm, favorite film. Lieblingsessen, favorite food. Lieblingsfarbe, favorite color. Lieblingslied, favorite song.
Mein Lieblingsfilm ist Schwarze Augen.
My favorite film is Black Eyes. My favorite film.
Was ist dein Lieblingslied?
What is your favorite song?
Got it. Lieblings. Favorite. Different shade from beste.
Word 7.
Das Lied. Das Lied.
Is that song? I've seen die Musik before. How are they different?
Song. Das Lied. Note, plural, Lieder.
Welches ist dein Lieblingslied?
What is your favorite song? What's your favorite song?
Ich habe das Lied schon mal gehört.
I have heard this song before. Key distinction: das Lied equals song, vocal music. Die Musik equals music, broader category.
Das Lied. Song. Plural. Lieder. Different from die Musik.
Die Musik, singen. Der Sänger. Das Konzert. Word 8.
Liegen.
To lie or to be located.
To lie. Liegen. Strong verb. Liegt, lag, hat gelegen.
Um 9 Uhr liegt Judith noch im Bett.
At 9 o'clock, Judith is still in bed. Judith is still in bed.
Frankfurt liegt am Main.
Frankfurt is situated on the Main River.
Got it. Liegen, to lie or to be located.
For location, München liegt in Bayern. München is in Bavaria. Word 9.
Links.
Left or on the left.
Left, rechts, geradeaus, abbiegen, links, rechts abbiegend.
Gehen Sie die nächste Straße links.
Go left at the next street. Turn left at next street.
Die Schillerstraße ist hier links.
Schillerstraße is on the left here.
Got it. Links. Left or on the left.
Word 10.
Der LKW. Der LKW.
Is that lorry? I've seen das Auto before. How are they different?
Lorry. Der LKW. Masculine. Plural. LKWS. Also, truck. HGV.
Dieser Lastkraftwagen ist sehr groß.
This lorry is very large. This lorry is very big.
Der LKW-Fahrer hält an der Raststätte.
The lorry driver stops at the service station. Key distinction. Der LKW equals Lastkraftwagen equals lorry, truck. Das Auto equals car. Size difference.
Der LKW. Lorry. Plural LKWS. Different from das Auto.
Der Lastkraftwagen, lorry. Das Auto, car. Der Bus, Bus. Der Fahrer, driver. Die Autobahn, motorway. Word 11.
Das Lokal. Das Lokal.
Is that restaurant? I've seen das Restaurant before. How are they different?
Restaurant. Das Lokal. Leute. Plural. Lokale. Also, pub, local bar.
In unserer Straße gibt es ein neues Lokal.
There is a new restaurant in our street. New pub restaurant in our street.
Das Lokal ist gut und günstig.
The restaurant is good and affordable. Key distinction. Das Lokal. Local bar, pub, restaurant. Informal. Das Restaurant. Restaurant. Formal.
Das Lokal. Restaurant. Plural Lokale. Different from das Restaurant.
Das Restaurant. Das Café. Die Kneipe. Essen gehen. To go out to eat. Word 12.
Die Lösung. Die Lösung.
Is that solution? I've seen das Problem before. How are they different?
Solution. Die Lösung. Feminine. Plural. Lösungen. Also, answer.
Die Lösung ist ganz einfach.
The solution is quite simple. The solution is simple.
Schreiben Sie Ihre Lösungen auf den Antwortbogen.
Write your answers on the answer sheet. Key distinction. Die Lösung equals solution. Das Problem equals Problem. What creates one and what solves it.
Die Lösung. Solution. Plural Lösungen. Different from das Problem.
Lösen, to solve. Das Problem, die Antwort. Richtig, falsch. And that is all 12 words for episode 32.
Die Leute, das Licht, lieb, lieben, lieber, Lieblings, das Lied, liegen, links, der LKW, das Lokal, die Lösung.
6 nouns and 2 verbs. Quite a spread. I love this series.
2 things to take away above all else from today. First,
Lieben.
die Liebe, love. Verliebt sein, to be in love. Lieb, dear, kind. Mögen, to like. And second,
Die Lösung.
the plural of die Lösung, Lösungen.
Locked in. See you in episode 33.
See you next time und auf Wiederhören.
Auf Wiederhören!